In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your email signature in Pipedrive. Having a clear professional email signature is really important, especially if you're using Pipedrive to communicate with clients or prospects. It helps people quickly see who you are, how to contact you, and it keeps all of your outgoing emails consistent. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go inside Pipedrive to update your signature and how to save those changes so they show up every time you send an email. First, make sure you're logged into your Pipedrive account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile picture, or sometimes just your initials in a circle if you haven't added a photo yet. Click on that profile picture area. This opens a small drop-down menu with several account-related options. From that drop-down, choose the option labeled Personal Preferences. This is where you can control a lot of your user-specific settings like language, notifications, and of course, email settings. Go ahead and click on Personal Preferences, and you'll be taken to a new page with a menu of different sections on the left-hand side. In that left-hand menu, look for the section called Email Sync. This is where Pipedrive manages how your email account connects to the platform, but it also includes your email signature settings. Click on Email Sync to open that section. Once you're in the email sync area, scroll until you see the option to manage your email signature. Depending on whether you already have a signature set up or not, you'll see either an Add Signature button or an Edit button next to your existing signature. If you don't have one yet, click Add Signature. If you're updating an existing one, click Edit. Now you'll see a text editor where you can type and format your signature. Here is where you add your name, job title, company, and any contact details you want to include, like a website or social profile links. You can usually use basic formatting like bold, italics, line breaks, and hyperlinks to make it look clean and professional. Keep it concise and double-check your spelling and any links you add so they work properly. Once you're happy with how your signature looks, scroll down and click Save. This is important because your changes won't apply to your outgoing emails until you save them. After saving, your new or updated signature will automatically appear at the bottom of emails you send from Pipedrive. That's all you need to do to change your email signature in Pipedrive.